Okay, listen. I had no business putting croissant dough into a waffle maker. It was supposed to be a joke, a snack, a what's the worst that could happen moment. But then it turned into a brunch miracle, a flaky, buttery, golden taco shell that changed the entire course of my breakfast philosophy. Let's make croffle tacos because we deserve happiness in waffle form. Here's what you need. 1 can of croissant dough. You know, the one that explodes like a mini grenade when you open it. Some butter or spray for your waffle iron, and then whatever filling your heart desires. I'm going savory today. Scrambled eggs, bacon, cheese, maybe a little avocado because we're fancy. But you can go sweet too. Nutella and strawberries are an elite combo. Choose your adventure. So here's where it gets fun. Unroll the dough, separate it into rectangles or triangles. Just don't overthink it. You're making waffles, not rocket science. Lightly butter the waffle iron and press the dough inside. Cook until golden and puffy. The minute they come out, shape them into taco form while warm. Gently bend them like they're doing yoga. If they crack, who cares? They're flaky and fabulous. Set those on a rack to cool and firm up. While those croffle taco shells are cooling into their final majestic shape, let's make the filling. Scramble some eggs, add cheese, fry bacon, maybe saute some spinach if you're feeling responsible. I went wild and added jalapenos because I like a little chaos with my brunch. Or go sweet. A dollop of Nutella, fresh strawberries, a little whipped cream, a literal brunch dessert taco. I'm not saying you'll cry, but you might tear up a little. Now the magic moment. Load those flaky taco shells with your fillings. Stack them, layer them, make it art. If you're doing sweet, drizzle with chocolate or maple syrup. For savory, hit it with hot sauce or aioli. You've just made a taco, a croissant, a waffle, all at once. Are you a chef? Are you a genius? Probably both. I'm not kidding. This is absurdly good. The outside is flaky and crisp. The inside is warm and gooey. And you just made it at home. You win at brunch. So, yeah, croffle tacos. They're weird. They're amazing. They're your new party trick. You can meal prep these shells, freeze them, toast them later. Gourmet snacks in the freezer, ready at any time. Like, follow and subscribe for more unhinged kitchen experiments. See you next time. Brunch starts now.